Good morning. The time is 8 what? 8. I feel like you guys are too far. Are you? I'm not sure. It's kind of cold today, and I didn't feel the cold until I got out of the car. But anyway, I'll just turn on. But anyway, good morning. I am vlogging. I'm very excited. I was not vlogging for a while because one, I lost motivation to do it, and then two, my camera, like my front camera, because I'm using my phone to film. Really? Y'all better come get your cars. Come fetch your cars. Anyway, like I was saying, the front camera of my phone it had dust under there was dust wow, why can I not speak? There was dust under the thingamabob, the screen protector, so it made it look like I'm in a cloud. So yeah, I couldn't use my front camera. And anyway, it is a Tuesday morning. As you can see, I'm making my morning coffee. I'm also gonna eat because I have a meeting in an hour, and I want to not feel hungry and whatever. So yes, I packed my hot water in here because I don't have a kettle. We don't have a kettle in the kitchen. Today I also put milk. I have a sandwich, cheese sandwich, and that's gonna be what I'm gonna eat. Judge me, I don't care. You can argue with your toes. But I do hope that you guys are having a good day and a good week, or rather when you watch this, because it's going to be a couple of days in my life, or maybe it'll be just I'll just put this one up as a trial. Let me have this, and then I will record again when I am done eating so that I don't delay. Lunch. I'm very impressed because they are usually super late, but this time around they brought my food on time. Let's see what we got. So I ordered the all-star box, the one with the zinger wings, and of course it comes with a Coke. Help me understand why all of a sudden my mood has shifted and I just feel like crying. I feel like crying, but there really aren't tears that are like, I don't know how to put it, like, you know that feeling where you just feel heavy, and you feel like a good cry would help to give you some sort of relief. That's what I'm experiencing right now. I just feel like a good cry will help. Just one of those good cries that you even fall asleep after that. Yeah. I don't know what caused this. I don't understand. But I hope that my mood will change again before I sleep, because I don't like to sleep when I don't like to go to sleep feeling the way I'm feeling. Like feeling sad and stuff. I don't like that. Because oftentimes if that happens, I wake up in the middle of the night feeling like crap. And yeah. It's I don't understand. I don't get it, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. I don't know if I'm going to continue the vlog or if I'm just gonna upload this, but yeah, I think today was an okay day. It was a good day. Actually, it wasn't an okay day. It was a good day. And yeah, just that it's a little bit, I just feel a little bit now, but I'll be okay. I'm gonna just call it a night, and yeah. Okay, so I am home for my lunch hour, and oh my god, it's so hot. I'm about to package an order. Well, 2 orders, so that they can be delivered today. So I'm going to package the orders and then go back home, and they will be delivered sometime this afternoon. So yeah, let's package the orders. Let me not waste time. As you can see, like I just literally had to tie up my hair real quick, and then yeah, so I have to check where the actual items are, and then yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Hi guys, I hope you're having a good day. It is a Friday, and okay, that should be fine. As you know, morning coffee, and it's my niece's last day of high school today, and I've been okay. I've just been okay the whole, she's been reminding me, and just oh my god, it's all like, it's my last day of high school, and I'd be like, yeah, cool. And then today we dropped her off, and seeing her like walk to her class, it really got me a little bit emotional. Like, and today she has they had their final leavers presentation, and I really want to be there, because I know how much it means to her, and I just can't believe that she's done with high school. Like, okay, fine, they still have exams and whatever, but today is her last day as a student and not just a candidate. Like, she won't be a student, she'll now just be a candidate from 5 candidates, and well, IGCSE I can't believe it. Like, my only niece, she's the first granddaughter, my first niece, the one who introduced me to the rich auntie life. And who low-key stole the last born title in a way, because the second, the last born, she's the last born. Like, it's such an emotional, it makes me feel very emotional. But I'm gonna try to be at the thing. I mean, the presentation has already started. It's from 8 to 10 and it's 8:06 now, so I don't know. I'm probably not gonna make it for the whole thing, but just to be there for a little bit of it, that would be great, you know. Damn. It's such an emotional day. Good emotions. Hey guys, I realized that realized that I did not actually talk much in this vlog, because, well, I did, but like the last bits were a bit haphazard, so I'm here to explain. So I am actually having my leftovers from last night and a box of juice for breakfast. What? Oh. So yeah, as you guys saw, I did go to my niece's Leva's presentation. I was very emotional. It was such an emotional morning. I'm so proud of her because, wow guys, it was such a big deal. And I also video called her mom while I was there, and it was really emotional for all of us. I was just oh my gosh, it was beautiful. Yesterday was my cousin's birthday. We went to celebrate. We went to Rhapsody's to celebrate. To be honest, it wasn't I've been to Rhapsody's many times and I've always had a good time there, but this time around it was just so boring. It was so I don't know, it gave nothing. To be honest, it gave nothing. I had a little bit of a disagreement with we had a little bit of a disagreement, and well, yeah, it made the night a bit sour, so it didn't end on a very good note, but it is what it is. I realized last night that there are certain things I don't want to say outgrown, but there are certain things that really tick me off that didn't necessarily tick me off in the past. And I don't know if it's me growing up, and I'm maturing. I don't know if it's got anything to do with that, or if it's just that season of my life maybe has ended, or it literally was a season and it's over. Or if maybe I was just, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know, but there are certain things that just they don't interest me anymore. Certain conversations don't interest me anymore. I just don't want to be a part of them. There's some people that I've just realized that, what, I'm okay without these people. I'm okay without this relationship, this interaction. And literally there's no bad blood, but it's just that I am okay without all of that. I have outgrown certain things, certain relationships, certain conversations, certain spaces. They just don't align with who I am now. They don't align with who I'm trying to become. And yeah, that's just some of the things that I came to realize yesterday. Which I think also contributed to the disagreement that happened. But yeah, other than that, it is what it is. It was a learning curve. I wish things had ended on a much lighter note, but they didn't, and such is life. Also, I keep forgetting that I'm vlogging again, so expect more choppy footage while I get back into the groove of things and back into the groove of vlogging. But yeah, I'm happy to be back. I really am happy to be back, and I hope that I will be here for a little longer. But yeah, if you want to catch me more often and catch my content more often, follow me on TikTok. That's where I'm most active. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. This was just a sum up. Yeah, I was just summing up everything and giving you guys more context. And yeah, now I'm actually gonna close the vlog. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how you're doing. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next vlog, which is gonna start probably tomorrow. So there will be a new vlog very soon. Thank you for watching. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.